Hey, how is it going?
Hi, Maria. I'm doing great.
Well,
Thanks.
it's
How are
okay,
you?
thank you. So, let's start with some question about your background and then let's move on to situational topic. After that, the floor is yours to ask us anything.
Okay, sounds good. I'm ready.
Great. To start, tell me a bit about yourself and your path as a translator so far, please.
Okay, well, I am currently finishing my bachelor's degree in modern languages at the University of Los Andes, and I've been a freelance translator for 4 years. And I am currently working at Poetry, translating romance and drama webcomics for Latin American audiences. And I would say that my focus is making dialogue sound natural and of course ensuring characters' personalities come through while maintaining the author's original tone. But before that, I worked on Fiverr with various clients on articles and marketing material, which taught me how to manage multiple projects and meet strict deadlines.
That's a very solid foundation. It's interesting that you worked at that company as we share a similar focus on the emotional weight of dialogue in the romance genre. Having that fan first perspective is vital here because our readers are very protective of the character voice. Now, what do you know about Lizzie specifically, please?
Well, I know Lessing is a leading platform for digital webtoons with a strong commitment to high quality localization and translation. And I've been read several titles on the platform and really admire how stories are adapted for global readers. And I'm especially drawn to your mission of bringing diverse stories to global audiences. And I would love, honestly, to be part of a team that values creativity and localization and translation as much as I do.
I'm glad that you mentioned localization. We really pride ourselves on not just translator, but adapting the experience so nothing is lost in translation. Since you're passionate about the context, what would you say are your main strengths and perhaps an area where you're looking to grow?
Okay, well, my biggest strength are my attention to detail and also my ability to adapt cultural references so the translation feels natural. As for my weaknesses, I sometimes second guess my editorial decisions. However, I've been proactive about this by taking courses like Traversia and seeking feedback from experienced editors to grow my confidence. So I see it as a great growth opportunity.
So that's a very mature way to look at it. Even our seniors editors consult each other on tricky phrasings. Yeah, it's actually a very collaborative process here. So you fit right in with that mindset. Yeah. Speaking of the workload, tell me about a time you had to handle multiple deadlines.
Well, on Fiverr, I had three overlapping projects and I prioritized them by complexity. I used a spreadsheet to track daily goals and keep constant communication with my clients. And I delivered everything on time, which taught me, the importance of staying organized and proactive.
Excellent. So efficiency is key here, okay? Especially when we're handling weekly release for popular series. It sounds like you already have a system that works. Well, I've done a lot of the talking. Yeah, do you have any question for us?
Yes, I would love to know more about the team structure and how the collaboration between translators and editors works. Also, what does a typical day look like for an intern? And are there opportunities to eventually work on different genres, maybe?
Those are great questions. We have a small but highly collaborative team. We use shared glossaries and translation memories to keep everything aligned across chapters. As an intern, your day is never boring. You might be translating a new chapter in the morning and doing a quality check for another series in the afternoon. And absolutely, we love seeing our team members grow. If you show the skill, we'd be happy to have you work on anything from fantasy to BL depending on your interest.
Okay, that sounds like exactly the kind of environment I'm looking for. Thank you so much for your time and for answering all my questions. I am really, really excited about the possibility of joining joining
Okay,
the
I
team.
am really excited about the possibility of joining the team. It was a pleasure meeting you, Ida. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next step. Have a great day.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye.